I'm Dr. Jonathan Kolbusz, the founder and director of Carolina Facial Plastics. We specialize in facial plastic surgery procedures, including multiple facial injectables, facial plastic surgery including rhinoplasty, face and neck lifts, and eyelid surgery, are just some of the procedures I perform. I'm a fellowship-trained facial plastic surgeon, and the only thing that I focus on is on the facial region. I've chosen to focus on that area because it's what I enjoy the most and is what I quite frankly think that I'm best at. I received my training in Beverly Hills, California. I was trained under two facial plastic surgeons in the region. Both of them are very well known. And I think that my training in Beverly Hills about taking those multidisciplinary advanced techniques that I learned there allowed me to bring great procedures and results to patients here in Charlotte.
I chose Dr. Kolbusz because of his experience, and you feel very comfortable about what you're doing. He makes sure that you're on the same page with him as far as exactly what's going to happen.
Explain to him my personal goals of wanting to look fresh without looking fake. I was very impressed by the time he took with me to really help me meet that goal.
Being a facial plastic surgeon is extremely rewarding. I love my job and I just love to get to know my patients. I love the abilities that I can to help them along their journeys. I have patients that come in with a multitudes of concerns and goals, and the ability to work with them to achieve their goals and concerns is what makes me come to work every day.
Dr. Kolbusz takes the time to give you an idea of where he will actually put the injections, and he holds the mirror up to you and makes sure that this is where you want it and explains to you what that will do. For me, that was very important because I wanted to know exactly where it was going to go and what it was going to do for me.
Really what I think is most important in formulating a treatment plan is listening. I really need to understand why the patient is coming to the office, and I need to understand what their goals and what their concerns are. And after we're able to understand those two things, I can really come up with an individualized treatment plan for them.
Audio Jungle.
I was really happy with my outcome. I love the way I look. I love the way I feel.
In turning 40, I was finally ready to admit that life is not smooth, but my face does not necessarily need to reflect that. And I would highly recommend Dr. Kolbusz and Carolina Facial Plastics to make sure that that is a path I stay on.
I believe my greatest skill that I have with patients is I'm able to work with them to enhance their natural features where if they look in the mirror, they can see a really nice difference to their face. But if they walk down the street, nobody should be able to tell they've ever had anything done. And to me, that's the sign of a successful procedure, if it's surgical or non-surgical. And I feel like that's why patients come back to see me. We are attentive and we are always available, and I couldn't be more proud to work with the team that we have built here.